Hello friends, hope you all are doing well, and today we will set up our dev environment for upcoming Python and Pygame tutorial. And to do that, we need to install Python and also we need to install VS Code. So without wasting any time, let's do that. Okay, so I open up my browser and search for Python, and hopefully we are not going to encounter any snake here. So okay, snake. Okay, there's no snake. And see, so now you need to click on this link, Python releases for Windows. So I click there, and now you need to click here, Windows installer 64-bit. Okay, and it will download the application file. So I clicked here, and okay, it's downloaded the file. And now we need to install this, right? So to install this, just click here, and I click, and now we are on the installation page. And please remember to select these two options. Okay, these two options are really important. And after that, press install now, and just wait for a bit. It's not gonna take that long. Quick. Okay, please wait for a moment. Okay, so our Python setup is successful. So you can now just close it by pressing this close button. So Python installation is done. So now we need to install VS Code. Okay, so search for VS Code and then click on this link, download, and it will open up this web page. And here you need, for Windows, here you need to click on this big Windows button. I mean download for Windows, anyway, this button. Okay, so after you click it, it will download the VS Code exe file, and here is downloading. Just wait for a moment. Okay, so it's done, right? So now click here, and now it opened the VS Code installation page, and click here, accept the agreement. And we actually don't need to read these things, we don't care about those things, and press next and keep pressing next. And okay, wait, here it's better to select these two options. It will help you to directly open folders from your file manager into VS Code. Okay, so after selecting those options, press next and install. Now it's gonna install VS Code in our computer. Just wait for a moment. Okay, it's about to finish. Quick. Okay, VS Code installation is done. So now if you click finish here, okay, click finish here, and now we can actually close every other things. Okay, it opened this VS Code window, right? So here, this is the VS Code UI, and just ignore everything and click here, markdown. Okay, and after that, also just close this window and click here into the extension tab. and then it will, here we will search for Python. Actually this is called extension. It will help you to use Python inside VS Code. Okay, even though we installed Python but we didn't connect it with VS Code, and to do that we need to install this thing, this extension. And for whatever reason, if you don't find this extension here, just search Python. Okay, and it will show up, and then click install. Just wait for a moment. It should not take that long anyway. Press mark, click markdown, and close this tab. And yes, so see, Python installation is done. Okay, so now we can close this window, tab, and also close this tab. And now you can open folder. Okay, let's just open one folder that I have created here. Maybe okay, let's just create a folder here inside our desktop folder. Okay, anyway, we got the folder. Okay, so let's open this folder, and you can open any of your folder, or you can create folders there and then open inside VS Code. Okay, and then okay, let me show you how can you create the file. So if you open the folder, create an empty folder and open the folder using VS Code, and then see, so I'm now inside the car game folder that I have created. Okay, and here, to test is whether everything is working correctly or not, click here and make a Python file. Suppose let's give the name game.py, and here in this file type, as of now you don't need to understand what's going on here, what am I typing, but just follow me. Okay, print hello world, and save the file using Ctrl+S, and now run the file using this button. Okay, if you run the file, see, you got hello world printed here, right? So if it printed it like this, so you are done installing Python and setting up it with VS Code. Okay, and the next step is, since we are gonna use Python for making games, so we need to install another thing which is called Pygame. And to install that one, we don't need to do any other things, just click here and remember to select this one, command prompt, and after you select that one, just type here pip install Pygame. And for whatever reason it's not showing up me here, so okay, let's try to restart the application. Okay, so I closed the application and let's search for VS Code. Okay, and I opened it again, and it will automatically remember our previous state. And now again try pip install Pygame, and okay, now it's gonna install Pygame. Okay, it said requirement already satisfied, but that's great. Maybe okay, you don't need to care about that, but for you, if you never installed Pygame before, if you type this command, then it's gonna download some files and install Pygame automatically. You don't need to do anything after this command. Okay, just type this command and press enter. It's gonna do everything it needs. So, and now to check whether Pygame installation is done correctly or not, just type import Pygame, and after that type Pygame, Pygame init, pygame.init. And you don't need to understand what's going on here, we will learn these things later. Just type these things and just run this file here by clicking here, and wait, okay, see, it showed that Pygame 2.6 and blah 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 and hello from the Pygame community. And if you are this far with us, so that means everything is set up correctly for our Python and Pygame tutorial. Okay, and I hope that if you can follow me in this video tutorial, and if you got any questions, you can ask me questions in the comment section, and hopefully I will reply to those questions. Okay, so that's it for today. Bye bye.